Alright, guess we're live. Let's check our audio first thing. Alright, guess our audio is not that bad. Okay, first of all, thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. I guess it's been quite a long time since I have not, let's say, made a content or made a video. So I'm glad that you guys are still subscribing to this wacky channel of mine. And with that, today we're going to post a video in around 1 month, because these two videos are quite not important to me because they failed horribly. Look at this. Well, this one was good, but this one was a post that I did to Facebook. From there, these views came. Anyway, today we're going to create a level. The level might look like the thumbnail. Holy shit, RS Gaming. Hello, bro. Hello. MSM Shova. Hello. Thank you very much for coming in. I missed streaming here. Thank you very much for joining in. Okay, let's go. Now let's create a terrain. It's going to be medium and desktop. Oh, there might be too much fog on the scene. Or maybe not. No fog on the scene. Maybe we will add some fogs later. I'm going to add the Gaia Pro sample biome. And for the stamper, I'm going to use this world, but I'm going to change some settings. I don't want the sea level to be that high. I don't want any sea level at all. Let's make that 0. We apply, and we don't want any run times for now. শরীফুল ভাই, হ্যাঁ চিনছি, আপনারা কেমনে ভুলবো? চিনছি। Okay, I can go ahead and hit stamp. There you go. It textured the map, but I actually do not want it to be textured like that. I want textures from my alien sky map or alien sky scenes. Let's see how we can do that. On here, on Gaia Pro Sample Biome, there's this texture pack. Here, if I hit plus, I don't know if my mouse is being recorded. Yes, my mouse is being recorded. On here, you will see that there's this resource setting. On here, we can change our textures. Now, we're going to do that. But before we do that, let's locate the textures that I'm going to use in this video. Now, this might be under where could it be? There you go, space, and then terrain, and then there you go, the grass, mainland flow something. Okay, and then there is some rocks. Okay, let's use them, I guess. Now on texture, if I click on here and then on my mask setting, there should be a preview. There you go, this eye icon. If I click it, it will view where this texture is being applied. Now this is being applied all over the map, so let it be. We're going to change this all over the map textures. So let's come here, and for our mainland, I'm just going to use this one. On texture, just drop this, and it needs a normal map. Let's give it our normal map, and it requires a mask map, which we do not have currently. But it's not looking quite good. Maybe it will look good when the rest of the maps are changed, so let's do that. Now there's this rock that needs to be changed, or stone cover. Let's preview this one too. This one too is used in lots of areas. Now I'm going to give it this one, and then this one. And as you can see, the terrain blended in quite nicely. And we do not have any mask map for this one too. Now lastly, there is this one. Let's see if it has any impact in our map. Okay, it has also been used in lots of areas. Now sadly, I do not have any textures for this part of the map or this specific place. So I'm just going to use this one again, but maybe I can change the color of this one. So let's go to the resource settings and then put my rock back and this one on the normal map. Okay, my computer do not hang. My computer is quite weak now, but I will do a big update in a bit. And not in a bit, but in like 20-30 days, so it will be okay. Alright, so we have our terrain ready. I don't know if it looks alien to you, but to me it's quite alien. Oh, and here we're going to change these textures too. Let's go here. And there we go, sand here. We do not want sands. We want this on here. Or maybe we can add a variety on here. We can add this one. There you go, it looks good. Fine. Awesome. Alright, now let's start adding vegetation to our scene. And I am trying to make this live stream as মাঝে মাঝে ব্লার হয়ে যাচ্ছে. Vishnu Priya, welcome to the stream. It is blurring because my YouTube is not receiving enough video. Hello, is the video okay now? It is not okay, it is okay. Thank you very much, thank you very much. But still, it is showing me issues here. I hope it won't be much issue while I am done streaming. Can I make the stream? It's on 720p. Why are you doing this to me? YouTube, fix your streaming service. I don't like it. উপরের কমেন্ট দেখো ভাই, দেখেছি 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 আপনারা চিনছে, আমি শরীফুল ভাই চিনছি, নো প্রবলেম, আপনারা মনে আছে। ও ভাই, okay, let's continue. Okay, now we're going to add vegetation to our scene here. Now we're going to add vegetation from our alien sky pack. I should refer the assets that I'm using. Now this is the vegetation spawner that I'm going to use, and also I'm going to use the আরো কিছু বলেছেন হাই বেবি পর্যন্ত আসতেছে, এরপরে তো আর দেখাইতেছে না ভাই। On here, alien sky, it's a beautiful old asset. I owned it many days ago, many months ago. As you can see, the graphics tells it's old, but we're using the universal render pipeline, which is quite new, and it has some features that will make this old assets shine again. And let's actually use this one. This one looks like this when the vegetations are applied on the map. We're going to add these vegetations on this desert too, so don't worry. Let's actually start doing that. Now I could do that using this the trees and rock and grass spawner of Gaia, but I'm not actually going to do that because it's a little bit time consuming. Else I'm going to do that instantly using this vegetation spawner. It's more simple to use, but it's quite useful. And I'm going to first import the vegetation spawner. Let's do that by going on package manager. And I'm sorry, I don't have multi-screen. I have to come here to see what is up. And in here, let's search for vegetation spawner. There you are, vegetation spawner. I'm just going to hit import, and it will import. Gee, do I have vegetation spawner already in the scene? Do I have vegetation spawner already in the scene? Maybe I have already. Let's see. Not on the scene, on the project. Vegetation. I already have vegetation imported. Okay, with this imported, just select something, select a game object, and put this vegetation spawner script on it, and then you can add your active terrain, and on trees, you can start putting trees. How awesome is that? Now let's find our trees first. It's on our space. Where is space? Space. I can find space. Okay, I am on a space folder here. And then there is prefabs, I think. Or there you go, prefabs. And then there is foliage. There you go, foliage. It's currently just having trees. I'm not sure if the scale is right. Oh, if the scale is right, this tree is just big. Oh, well, this is not a tree, this is an object. Anyway, but this one is a tree. If you look at it, you will see that I am using the Lux ERP shader to make it look more better. And it is a tree. It is a speedy tree. Okay, let's get started. Now, there should be some grass too. I am unable to find them for now, but I will find them eventually. Let's actually find them. It should be on our space, then terrain, and then this one. This one has all the data and history for us. There you go. It's a pre-made thing. I get edit details, and there you go. We have found the details. It's under space textures and then foliage. Interesting. Okay, there's quite a lot of foliage on here. We're going to use only a few of them, so let's disable this terrain for a bit. Now let's first start with the foliage, or let's say details, because without the details this terrain surface looks quite bad. Thunder Gaming, hi bro, and my little bro's ID is Ben. It's completely okay. Get a new ID, or get a fucking knife. Oh, okay, I should not be saying freaking, because that's not a good word. Okay, now let's try adding grass. Okay, first we're going to add a grass. Let's add this xenograss. I can just put this xenograss on here. Awesome. And then I can put width and height. For now I'm going to just put 2, 2, and 2, because these settings I am copying from here, I think. Oh no, he is using only one here. Okay, I am going to use only ones here, because why not? It's okay to copy someone's numbers. And then I can just hit respawn. Okay, as you can see, it has spawned some grass in our scene. Now this colors is something I do not like. I'm just going to make them white. White is quite bad, so let's come back to this terrain and copy the color. And come here, and there you go. The healthy color is white, and the dry color, I can just copy this hex number. You can too copy this hex number. Just remember these numbers or take a screenshot of it. And then come here, edit details, edit, put this on the scene, Okay, but I still don't like it. Why there's like strange borders? Okay, let's see if there's any fix to it, or if I'm using the wrong textures on here. Yes, I'm using the wrong textures. Let's come here. This is not the right textures. This one is the right texture. There you go. There you go. It is fixed now. It looks quite good. And you can see that this grass are also spawning on stones, which we do not want. So we can remove that by coming on here. And on layer mask, we can, okay, Carrie, I do not want to watch you now. Sorry, I'm a bit sick. Not a bit sick, I'm quite sick. Okay, now on here, we want the grass to spawn on just terrain layer 1. So we're going to just click on here and then put the one here and then respawn. And okay, the grasses are all gone. Maybe I have put the wrong terrain, wrong thing there. Maybe I should put the rock instead. Now let's go back to my paint texture. The rock is on third and fourth. So let's add the third and fourth on here. Respawn. There you go. The grasses are back, but they are on our rocks too. Why is that? What are you doing? Vegetation spawner, do not fail me. Respawn. Okay. This is strange. Let's add our third respawn. Okay, I think I get it. We are using this one, the second texture, that's why. I have to add this second layer and then respawn. There you go. There you go. There you go. There we have it. Now on rocks, there's less grass. There is some grass though. Well, that's some nature's mistakes we will take as. That's some natural mistake. Let's not fight over that. Okay, now let's add some more grass. Let's come here, add, and then there is this Xenograss we have added, and we can use this Xenograss B. Let's drop it here, and then respawn, and we're going to scale it later. For some reason this Xenograss is not changed. Let's change that again. And also, why the color is not changed? Unity is shit. Okay, I think I remember the scale for this one. It was 2 by 2 by 2 by 2. I think, I'm not sure though. Let's randomize, and this is quite big. We're going to make your spawn chance half. There you go. Maybe more or less by 1.5. Okay, let's change your colors. Let's make you white, and then let's steal the color from our already made terrain. It's on here. Yes. Edit details. There you go. It's C1, C1, C1. So easy. Okay, let's come here. Xenograss. Not here. On here. Xenograss. You're going to have this number. Awesome. Now, for some reason, I think we should have more of this. 50%, and then respawn. Okay. Okay, not bad. Let's add some more. Let's go back to our old terrain. Now, there is Xenograss, and then there is Xenograss 3 and Xenograss other. Well, let's add those. And don't subscribe, maybe. Do not subscribe, maybe. Okay, let's go to your channel and subscribe, I guess. But for some reason, that thing where you can go-to channel from here is gone, so I can't really go to your channel unless I copy your name and then put it here, and I can't find your channel, bro. I'm sorry, I can't subscribe. I'm sorry. And there's some notification I saw on YouTube. Check it out, I guess. Oh, the notifications are this gold coast and things that will give me a copy strike if I play them, so no thanks. Okay, let's add the other grasses. Let's start with this one. Let's edit details, edit, it's the Xenograss 3. Why they are so in bad shape? Okay, let's put the Xenograss. Sorry. Edit details. No, not here. It's here. Add. And now I want Xenograss 3. Randomize respawn. Awesome. Let's make you white and let's give you white 2 for now. We will change you later. 2 by 2 by 2 by 2, I guess that's the number that we're using here. And let's copy the number here from here. It was Xenograss 3. It was Xenograss 3. Great. Number is 1223, and it has color white and pink. Pinky color. Let's copy the pinky color, and it's 1223 on height and width. Edit 1 2 2 3. Awesome. Pink. Awesome. Oh, I should not change them here. Why do I always go here? I have to change them on vegetation spawner right here. It's going to be 1 2 2 3. Awesome. And then here it will have this color. Awesome. Now let's randomize and respawn. You two will have less chances of respawning. Let's give it just 5%. Awesome. Awesome. Now this ones also have to have the layer mask. The layer mask is this second one. The layer mask is this second one. Respawn, baby. And you two respawn. And okay, all of you are gone. It's alright. And we have been streaming for 23 minutes already. I thought in 30 minutes we will finish our stream. Okay, let's see if we can add more vegetation to our scene. Let's come to terrain. And then there's, we have added Xenograss 3. We can use this no grass thing. Let's see its settings though. Edit details, edit. It's using 2323 and this. Oh, it's using white. Let's come here on our terrain. Edit details, add grass texture. Not here, here. Add. And it's going to be our last Xenograss. This one. Okay. And it was 2 1 2 and 2 3. Color, first color was white, second color was copied. Is this the right copy? I don't know. Let's check it out again. Now this is quite annoying, I know, but this is game development. You cannot do everything on your own. You have to. You can do everything on your own, but this is so easy. I mean, fuck it. I won't say. I forgot what I wanted to say. But there's more things that we can add that is here. So let's try and add them too. There's this Xenograss, this one, that we can add. No, not here. Why am I so bad? Why am I so bad? Why do I go there? Okay, let's put this xenograss. Awesome. And then randomize and then respawn, and also add our 2 and then respawn, and then also give it color. Respawn. We need to steal colors from our old terrain again. There we go, this one. How do I edit it? There we go, edit. White, and then 90, 90, 90. How easy to copy. Let's select this one, edit details, edit, put 90, 90, 90 on here. Not here. Why am I so bad? My mistake was putting this vegetation spawner thing on the terrain object. If I didn't do that, then everything would be okay. And let's respawn. Holy shit. My xenograss spike is not working. Let's copy it. Let's try to copy it again. Let's see what they did good that didn't work for me. Terrain. Yes, here. Xenograss spike. Edit details. Edit. Okay, they made the noise spread 0.1 and everything is 2. And lastly, the 90, 90, 90. Let's copy it again. Everything 2, noise spread 0.1. Let's do that. Let's copy them. Let's rip their things off. It's going to be 2 by 2, 2 by 2. It is still not working though. Even though if I make a billboard, not working. Okay, looks like we cannot use this one. So, holy shit, what have I done? No, I have done nothing. It's okay. So we cannot use that one. So let's add this xenograss B instead. Xenograss B. I'm going to make you all white. I don't care about colors anymore. Respawn, and I'm going to use that 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 thing on you. I have to make your spawn chance a lot less. Okay, fair enough, I think. This bet we need to have more of you and more variation of you. Not here, right here. I'm going to make your height vary, and then I'm going to make your spawn chance a lot more, and I'll randomize it 50 times, and let's respawn. There we go. It looks quite good now. Let's do that ground layer thing too that we were doing. It has layers. This one does not have layers. This one respawn, and lastly this one, buddy, you need to respawn too. You're right here. Respawn. Awesome. Now our texture is all, our terrain is all, what to say, colors. It's quite colorful, so I think it's okay if I put dense vegetation on here. So let's go ahead and do that. And also there's a lot of tree. Okay, someone messaged me on Facebook. I'm sorry, I will ignore you. Paulo Henrique, my map is looking amazing. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. It is not quite done yet, but thank you. And my subscriber is up to 700. Thank you, bro. Yes, I don't know if my subscriber is up to 700. It was 693. Yes, it's 694 now. Paulo Henrique, thank you again. I'm sorry I could not read your message because I don't have multiple monitors. And let me send you a message here. Paulo, sorry for not reading your message. I only have one monitor. Can't see the chat while on editor. Vishnu Priya, thank you. Bengali web series, Bengali web series. Hello bro. कैसे हो अपने? केमन आছেন আপনি? Okay, the stream's bitrate is 1. I am a Unity game developer. Thank you. Okay, I am a Unity game developer too, buddy. Okay, now this terrain, let's add some wind zone to it, and let's see if this grass affects to wind. Let's go to, let's just create an empty game object and put, oh, we already have a wind zone. Maybe this this will not affect to wind. Oh, it affects the wind. Nice. Maybe we can change that on here on settings. There's something called there's something on terrain settings, I think. There we go. Wind speed. Oh, it's already maximized, but there's this bending that we can increase. Awesome. It looks good. Let's make it 2. Let's just make it 3. It looks good. Okay. Let's go to the. Yep, it is saved. It looks the grasses looks quite good now. Not here, buddy. Here. Yep, it looks quite good. Now let's plant some vegetation. Let's plant some foliage, like trees and bushes and stuff. Okay, let's go. Oh, we already got 5 likes. Holy shit! Holy okay, let's not speak English. We are, but let's not speak difficult English because I'm too bad. Okay, now let's do vegetation or foliage or whatsoever. Now we're going to copy some foliage from here too. Holy shit, there's so many of them. Okay, we're going to add all of them eventually. Do not worry. Okay, let's go to our terrain, and then let's, for the sake of humanity, let's close that, and let's come to trees. Holy shit, we have come to trees. We're going to plant some trees. Demo, not on demo, it's on somewhere, where, prefabs, and then foliage, and all of them are trees. Except this one, this alien butthut is not a tree, it's a fucking object that I can put randomly on the scene like this, I think. Oh, I have to put this under the scene. I will put it later. I can make a nice attraction out of that one, but that's something for later. Now let's do trees. Let's add a tree. Now the first tree that we're going to add is going to be this Xenobatat, maybe, or this alien tree. Let's just hit enter, and then let's put this alien tree prefab. Holy shit, that's too many. That is too many. Just 10%. Even 10% is too much. 1%. Okay, 1% is okay. Let's come here and no, not this one. This one, okay. And let's respawn, I think. Let's make this 2%. 2%. And then randomize. 2% is too much. 1%, 1.3%. Randomize. Randomize. how to make VFX in Unity. But you can make VFX in Unity using the shader graph. Learn about Unity shader graph, and you will be able to do a lot of VFX. Just learn about Unity shader graph. You can find some many tutorials in the internet about shader graph. Okay, that's how you make VFX in Unity. And please make VFX. No, I am not expert on making VFX. I can just do some simple particle effects, but not VFX yet. I am not the perfect man for that. Okay, just 1% I'm going to make it, because I have so many trees that I want to put. So yep, 1% we're going to be happy with. And second one, holy shit, why do you get... Oh, we have to put our tree here. Just put our tree. And then randomize. No, I have to delete this one. What is this? What is this? Fuck it. Let's add trees again. I have to and I think I just have to put this like this. Alien tree, yes. And then the spawn chance is 1%. Randomize, and also the mask is 2. And then lastly randomize. Alright, I'm going to be okay with this one. And then let's go to let's add this something. Xenocactus probably. Add Xenocuck. There you are. Xenocactus prefab. There you see, that's too much. 2%. Add on here. And then randomize. Okay. Okay, with cactus done, let's do this XenoBAO. Add. No, not here. Add XenoBAO. Okay, let's make it 1%. Okay. Randomize. Let's make it 2%. Randomize. Let's make it 1%, and I'm going to add the other tree because there's 2 variations of this Xeno thing. Xeno BAO2. There you go. 1%. Randomize. There you go. Let's put this one on YouTube. Let's randomize now. Awesome. Okay, it is coming along. We just need more dense vegetation, and let's put more dense vegetation on. Oh, okay, these 2 trees are awfully close. Let's come here and then randomize. There you go. Just doing this randomize, you can fix lots of things. Okay, now let's add the Xenobetat. Xenobatat. And 1%. Randomize. I think that will be okay. Let's add our rule here, the first one. And then Xenobatat 2, we need to add that too, because we have that. We must use that. We can later come on here and tweak the values too. Okay, Xenobatat 2 is quite large. Let's make it 2%, because our city is missing some large trees. And then let's randomize. Okay. That's quite fine. Let's go to a steep area. Like this one. So that we can see the forest. This would look much more good if this terrain was not this mountain-like area. But we have already made our choice, so let's go with it. It's not looking that bad too. It's not that bad. Okay, we can add some more trees. We can add some more trees though. Or let's actually hit play and see how this is working. You wish to send me pictures or videos? You can add me on Facebook. My Facebook is this one. You can send me videos here. You can send me videos here. Or you can do my Discord too. Discord, buddy, load up. There you go. Or on Discord here. Okay, and let's make my camera position this position, I think. Position this position. I have become an artist. But I don't like the terrain. I should have chosen a simpler terrain. Let's actually do that. We can actually do that because we have the Gaia stamper now. We can just make this terrain quite flat. So let's go to our stamper and then we can flatten the terrain. We can just hit yes. Okay, and then we can make another terrain. So where is the? There we go, stamps. We have hills here. Instead of hills, I want plains. Not this plane, not this one, not this one. This one looks quite good. Will I use it? I don't know. Let's see if there's something more plain here. This one looking good, but I think we can do better. Nah. This one is the most, this one might be the most plain. Let's apply that, let's stamp. And then we have to respawn the vegetation. Yes, this one is much better than before. This one is much better than before. Let's come to our terrain. We have to, we have to respawn everything. Okay, it's just a few clicks, so it won't be much issue. It really is just a few clicks, and that's the fun of using tools that is already built, you know. Just click, and I just reshaped my entire art here. Let's go to trees. Just randomize. Buddy, you have to be randomized. You have to be randomized, and you to be randomized. It's the Gaia is so powerful. It's such a powerful tool. Okay. I have to do so much randomizing. Okay, fine. It's still quite not looking like how I dreamed it would though. Let's go to this terrain, and then let's see what they has done right. Okay, This is what I am doing wrong. The terrain textures, I have not put the correct textures. Shit. Okay, which texture they're using? They're using this texture for the first terrain layer. I'm using a different one. Let's use a darker texture for our first terrain layer. Let's come here. Yes, the grass. Their mainland was quite dark. How do I make my mainland dark? Yep. Oh shit. Mainland rock, mainland. But how do I make you dark? There's too much overlapping trees around. Maybe I should use the Gaia trees. I will accept his request later, don't worry. Oh, he might be the guy who just texted me. Okay, no worries, you're accepted, buddy. Okay, that's Russian. Let's go to our terrain. And we're going to delete everything at trees, sorry. Because though that is not quite working for us. Let's do it again. Let's focus on this area this time. Let's go to Gaia tree, and there is this spruce tree. We don't want that. Instead, we're going to put our own tree on prefabs and foliage. Tree. Sorry for making too much noise. I'm sorry. Let's put the Xenobatat. And how do I add more trees? Add new rule, resource management. Oh, that's how we do it. Awesome. I just figured it out. I'm going to add every single trees, I don't care. The first one was Xenobatat. Now let's do this alien tree. Alien tree. And then alien tree B. And then alien tree cactus. Then plus again. Xenobat bowl. We're going to have you too. Then plus again. Xenobow 2. Let's have you too. Xenobatat. We have not added that yet. Xenobatat 2 is added. Let's add the Xenoforeign 2. Let's add Xenoforeign 2. This is like a foliage thing instead of not tree, so I'm quite hesitant. My buddy has already sent me his files. Holy shit, he made a nice banger game. Oh, not care, I wanted to do I love React. How we made this game free source code. Oh, we got that thing. I forgot the name of this asset. It was something like, I forgot the name of the asset, but it's a very nice free asset. Okay. I like every single let me just like every single post of it, because why not? He's an engineer too. That's okay. Enough spamming. He has lots of posts. I cannot like them all. Forgive me. I am not that friendly, or maybe I am, but not at that. Oh, I accepted your request. We can talk later, buddy. Let me just finish this design here, okay? And Xenophon. And then this tree, buddy, we are going to add in Xenopalm. Let's plus Xenopalm here, Xenopalm 2 plus plus. This is going to be Xenotree, and then Xenotree 2, and then Xenotree 3 here. Why cannot I see you? Xenotree 3. Alright, now let's see at the Xenotree 4, 5. There's so many things on this terrain. There is so many let's say, sorry, vegetation they have given away. Let's just hope it will look good when we're done, because else it is going to be devastating. It is going to be destructive. Xenotree bag. Let's add Xenotree bag on the scene, baby. And lastly, Xenotree ST something. Let's add you too. Xenotree this one. Xenotree tween. Let's just look at our tween. It's not good. It's not bad. And let's see how this thing works now. It's on tree. We're going to spawn world. As expected, too much vegetation on our screen. Too much. Oh no! Too much. Okay, now how do we control it? How do we put so much vegetation away from our terrain, right? Now that is quite simple. Just come here, and then there will be detail density, tree distance. Holy shit! There's no setting for trees. A detail distance, tree distance. There should be something like density. Detail density. There's detail density, but not for trees. Okay. Sorry. Looks like we're going back to our trees here, and we're going to manually change the spawn create area. Let's actually see if there's any settings. Range 502. There we go. Global spawn density. Let's make it 0.1, and then there is for spawn world. Mm, 0.1 is too less. 0.5 spawn world. 0.5 is too much. 0.25. It's shaping. It's shaping. Okay, it's also too much. Let's add just 0.2 and see what's up. It's shaping. It's nearly shaped. Alright. 0.1 will do. I just have to make the height rule. And then this will do. Now there's this spawn rule. Spawn rules. Mask setting, and then there is terrain. There is this height mask. We don't need this one. Yes, the height mask is not necessarily spawn world. There you go. There you go. There we have it. It looks quite good now. It looks fabulous, to be honest. It looks good. Okay, let's do one more thing. Suddenly here there is no trees. Maybe we should randomize the seed or something. Terrain textures. Let's have this rule, but no collision mask. Let's have it too. Let's just spawn world again. Let's have some variation, and let's see if it gives us some different results. Did it add more trees in our scene? Here, spawn. Just terrain, just trees. Clear spawns now. And then spawn world. Holy shit! It looks good. Let's change the sky color, rendering lightning settings instead of gradient. I am going to use the skybox, and there's the skybox that I have. It needs some post-processing to be added, but for now it's not bad. It's not that bad. Let's do something like this. Oh, it's too dark. Well, I can make it brighter though. No thanks. Let's just go to skybox. This is not that bad, and let's actually compare this one with the terrain that the pre-made terrain. The developer of this terrain has put a lot of work on it, so it will surely look better. But let's make. Don't care about fade length. Let's make detail to strength max too. The developer's one looks like this. It has much more vegetation. It has much more vegetation, and the terrain is formed so nicely that it looks good. And this one is ours. Ours is bigger, but bigger is not always better though. It's good. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's a nice level. Let's put that space man guy on the scene. Spaceman, is it a prefab though? Yes, it's a prefab. Let's put him here. And main camera, I don't need you for now. Let's see how it looks from player's perspective. It is not at all bad. It is not at all bad. Let's give the where is that Gaia tools? Not on Gaia tools, it's on Spaceman, and it has a camera on it. There we go. And here, instead of solid color, we give him the skybox. Holy shit! I just gave you the skybox. I just gave you the skybox. There you go. Look at it, it's giving 200 FPS. That's what I want to see. That's what I like the most to see. I like the scene, but the problem is the terrain. I don't like the terrain. This is I don't like the terrain a bit. Fuck it. Let's make the terrain flat for now. I will do terrain level later. Okay? Let's make the terrain flat. Where are you, Gaia? Gaia tools. It's on Gaia's temper. The stamper should be there. Where's stamper? No, I'm going to flatten the terrain. Yes, flat. I don't care. And then I'm going to retexture the terrain too. There you go. Simple biome texture. And spawn world. Yes. Oh, my spaceman, where are you? Okay. Let's put it here. The physics will do the rest of the stuff. Let's just put you there. Occlusion. No, I will use occlusion later. For now, I'm just going to see how the terrain looks. And someone texted me on Facebook. I think I should see it at least. I'm not a rude guy. You gonna sleep? I'm streaming. Let's copy our stream URL. Where is it? Stream settings. I can find it. Oh, I can just copy the URL from here. Sorry. Very bad. Okay, now let's hit play again. Hit play. Hit play. Before I hit play, let's actually spawn these trees. Spawn these big belly trees. Spawn world. Where are the trees? Jesus, where are the trees? Where are the trees? No! Okay, the trees are gone because of this terrain texture. We don't need that for now. Let's remove that too. We just need the collision mask. Holy shit. There you go, trees are back. Trees are back. Trees are back. Trees are back. I love trees. Trees are my friend. Where would I go without trees? Trees are life-saving. And our forest looks quite good too, though. Just to put some mountain post-processing, some fogs on the background, and have a lot of post-processing. A lot of post-processing will make it look a lot better. Where is my spaceman? There you are, there you are, there you are. Let's go on our spaceman, and let's see what he is up to. By the way, our spaceman is completely without any hair. It's very fascinating. I like men without any hair. If I could put my hands here, I would just slap this freaking head. Anyway, let's hit play. Alright. Where's our skybox? Sorry. Looks like this thing does not take the skybox. Because it changes its settings when we hit play, so it changes its skybox. Now we have to do that here. The spaceman, and then there's main cam. There's maybe a multiple cam here. No, just main. There's this blood screen that I cannot make appear. Solid color, I don't need it. I need skybox. And stats, I don't need it for now. Let's see how beautiful our scene looks. It's a nice little forest. I don't know what else to say. It's a nice little forest. Maybe our character is a little bit small. Let's make him big. Let's make him big boy. 2 by 2 by 2. I think that will be okay. Okay, 2 by 2 by is okay, but the camera is betraying me. Let's go to the camera, and then there's something I can do, I think. Distance, make it 6. I cannot change it live. Distance 4. 4. Okay. Maybe 10 here. Sadly, the camera is not working. Distance, I can change the distance. Okay, that's what we have for now. Let's give you a skybox again. So this is our forest. Let's fucking destroy our spaceman. We don't need you. Let's do our main cam. Main cam I can hit Control, Shifts, and F all together, and it will snap to our scene. And let's hit play and see the beauty that is our level. Not bad. Let's say let's make our wind zone a bit strong. Main, let's make it 2. Yep, I like it. Turbulence, let's make it 0.5. No, 1 is okay. 1 is okay. But the ground, I fucking hate the ground. The ground layer, why are you so fucking ugly? Let's see if I can change the ground layers. Yes, I can change the color tint. Holy moly. Macaroni. I can make it. Not good. Let's make it this color. That's better than before, I guess. Let's see it. Better than before. Okay, now let's have some post-processing and let's see how these effects are seen. And this one, let's make you a little bit good looking too. There you are. That looks good. Let's copy the component. Test component values. Awesome. Now let's do some post-processing. There you go. Post-processing is enabled here. And I can call it live level. Because the level is created live, so I just named it live level. And then I can add some post-processing layer. Oh, I don't need that. I just need to put this the volume script. There we go, volume. And also I should put some fogs. Let's do that. Rendering lightning settings. So that's already here. Let's put some fogs. Awesome. Fog, my buddy. Let's do some 0.5. That's too much. 0.2 will do. And let's give it some nice friendly color, like this one. Or like this one. No, like this one. No, that's bad. This one looks good. Let's give it more. 2 will do. Sorry. There we go. Without fog, with fog, without fog, with fog, without fog, with fog. Okay. Let's do some one more thing. Let's add a flare to the scene. There's like this lens flare thing, and then I can add a flare. Okay, very good directional flare. 50mm zoom. This is the good looking flare that I have, I think. Yes, this is the most good looking flare I have. I think I have 0.9 value for the sun. Fine. Fuck it. That will do. This will do. And what else? Oh no! Unity crashed. Let me save the project now. Why do you do this to me, Unity? Unity just crashed. So many of you came to the stream today. I'm so proud. Oh, you guys may be thinking as if I'm hiding this beautiful desktop picture that I have. No, I'm not hiding it. She is a very beautiful lady. But it's nothing I should hide. Oh, and also I'm organizing my icons on stream. Holy shit, I never do that. I never organize my icons. Let's put it here, DBBL info. You can come here maybe, or maybe here, I don't care. Excuse me. Now it will take just a minute to load up, just wait. And we have been streaming for 1 hour and 40 minutes now. That's good. How many subscribers we have gained? I can see it here. I can see it right here though. Oh, we have gained 2 subscribers. or 3 subscribers. That's fair enough. That's fair enough. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Oh! Holy shit, 4 subscribers? Or 3 subscribers? That's fair enough. My audio is funky. My audio is very funky. Okay, okay, okay. Where are we? W, yes. Okay, this is the demo scene that came with this tool. Now this looks quite good. This does not looks quite good. It looks very good. It looks well. It looks professional, not like my wacky scene. Holy shit! Where's my terrain? No, the terrain is gone. Oh no, it is not gone. Holy shit! All this work gone. Good lord. Holy shit. All this work gone. My life sucks. My life freaking sucks. We had such a beautiful level. All of that is now gone. Let's see the level though. It was right here. It was looking quite nice. And then it crashed right here. So this is what we got. This screen. Our level looked fabulous. It was gorgeous, but my life sucks, buddy. My life is freaking awful. My life sucks. Why? I feel sad. I feel very, very sad. No. Okay, this is where our stream ends. After all this, the editor crashed and my file was gone. I'm sorry, guys. My life is failure. I'm sorry. I'm going to end the stream right here. Thank you for subscribing, though, and thank you for liking the video and doing the stuffs. I very much enjoyed the new guys who came on here, Paul, Henrique, and Bengali web series, and then science and technologies. All of them were very good, and I'm very glad that you guys came along. Nihal Sailor, okay, bye. Okay, bro. I hope you have a very good night, and welcome to the channel. I hope you subscribe. And this is how my level looked at the end. It is on 3 minutes before, and then it just got destroyed by our Unity's bug. I'm sorry, guys. I'm very, very sorry. There you go. Why? No. Okay, this is going to be the end of today's video. We're going to see you tomorrow, and also not tomorrow, maybe long before tomorrow, because I want to make a game with that level. I have to recreate that level more beautifully. Good night, everyone. Good night.